Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Uruguay. So this is very easily done using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video below. You can open up that link and it's going to take you to the official eSIM platform right here. So we are going to be using the eSIM application to purchase the eSIM and install it. And once you open up the link from the description, it's going to look like this. Make sure to stay till the end of the video as we are going to explain step by step how to install it as well. So here you have your unlimited plans and fixed plans. As you can see, they're pretty similar in price, so I always recommend that you choose the unlimited plan as it is the better option always to never run out of data. So select your plan right here and click checkout to go to the checkout page, after which we can choose a payment method. Choose whichever payment method suits you the best. You can select whatever you prefer, let's say Apple Pay, and then you can click the pay button. That's going to enable you to make the purchase successfully. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to install it using the official eSIM instructions right here. Doesn't matter if you have iPhone or Android, the process is going to go pretty similar. So if you're an iPhone, you're going to go to the iOS application, click eSIM, and then click on install eSIM. After that, you can tap add cellular plan. Tap on the install button and wait for the installation process to end without any interruptions, and click tap add cellular plan. So you can click this button as well and follow the on-screen instructions. This is going to enable us to label our data plan as eSIM for easy identification, and then you can go ahead and click the newly added eSIM as your mobile data and select primary as your default line, and this is how to get started. You can also install it using the QR code. You can open up your settings, tap on cellular, and click add cellular plan, after which you can click the setup cellular screen, use the QR code option, and then point your iPhone camera at the QR code received on your mail or sent to the other device, and this is going to enable you to install it as well. You also have the Android steps that are pretty similar, where you can open up the eSIM application, go to the help page, click eSIM installation, and press the install eSIM now option, which is going to enable you to wait for the installation process to end, after which, if you want to activate mobile internet from eSIM right away, follow the steps on displayed on the screen right here that you have the pictures for, and you can also install it using the QR code just like on iPhone by going to settings, connections, SIM card manager, and clicking add mobile plan, and then using the QR code option. So there you have it. If you want to purchase your eSIM today for Uruguay, go into the description of this video right now, open up the first link, and get started purchasing it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.